it's an honor that you loved my gaming setup. That's pretty sus. Anyway, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is a very unexpected video. I did not expect to be doing this video at all right now, and the reason we're making this video is randomfrankp, one of my idol YouTubers, tech YouTubers. I've always watched his videos, I've always enjoyed his video. You might know him for like cool tech under $50 for the month of so. I've been doing that for years. He also does something such similar to Tech Source, which is reviewing setups, and I've submitted my gaming setup to it. At the same time, I submitted my setup to Setup Wars, which was 9 months now, I think, or 8 months. When I rebuilt all this whole setup, it's completely different than it was when I sent those pictures. Not really completely. This setup right here is a little bit similar. This setup is completely different. You've seen that video. Anyway, the video just was published like a few days ago, and I get a DM on my Instagram saying, "Hey, congratulations on making it. Your setup looks really good." And I was like, "Oh, that time." Come to find out that my setup did make it. So today we're gonna be together, me and you, watching what randomfrankp, one of the people I really admire in the tech space, what did he have to say about my gaming setup? So let's check it out. Right before we get started, if you don't know me, my name is Nash. I do tech videos on every platform: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Every now and then when I have time. I have 2 kids and I'm a software developer, and I'm moving soon, so I'm going to be rebuilding my gaming setup in the new house. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to stay along for the journey and whatever they call these things nowadays. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to watch the video. Let's start. Why does it say Chris on the bottom left corner? My name is not Chris.
Actually like a dual setup here. We're going to focus on the primary setup. Tons of RGB in the room. Got some Govee RGB row.
To be exact, about 21 lights. Not bragging. My electricity bill is not bragging either.
The hexagon panels. This is wild. Very
it's so different now because that PC, I don't even have that PC anymore. I have like 2 different completely PCs. I've already sold that case. I still have that same GPU though. But I love that Be Quiet PC. It was just too big for my desk over there.
Candy is what I'm getting here. So again, for this main setup, the primary monitor is from AOC. It's a 34-inch curved, 1 millisecond, 144 hertz panel with the 27-inch monitor on the left side in the vertical orientation.
Okay, I gotta say something about that monitor. I actually sold that monitor. I liked it. The colors were not great on it. It's a VA panel, and for ultra wide, I did not like the colors. They were a little bit dull.
From Innocent, that is 4K. Then down to the desktop peripherals, we have a Gamma K LK68 keyboard, modded a bit with some keycaps, and I'm really digging the mouse here. So underrated. I loved it when it came out, the SteelSeries Aerox 3.
I do too. I love that mouse. I've made a full review about it on my YouTube channel. The only thing I didn't like about it is the connection is iffy and the battery's a little bit low. And then I switched to the G Pro wireless after that.
Ghost Edition, and you can see it has that translucent sort of shell, and just
great
fits in
looking
perfectly.
mouse.
Even got his own custom mouse pad made as well. And then for audio, he has the Edifier M4 speakers in white, right next to that really nice looking PC. This is from Be Quiet. It's their Silent Bass 802 case in all white. Inside's a 5900X CPU with a Be Quiet AIO. 32 gigs of Nectac Shadow Series RGB RAM on a B550A Strix motherboard.
It's so funny because like I wish I waited a little bit to submit my setup because it's so much better now. But this PC did look super clean.
With a Gigabyte Vision RTX 3070 Ti, the Vision is the way to go here with this case. Aesthetically, all looks so clean here. I love an all-white build like this. Again, a little peek underneath the desk. Really good job. There's a lot of stuff going on with this.
Oh, so far I'm very happy about this
setup, and it's all contained really nicely with some cable raceways, so nothing's hanging down and being an eyesore. But man, this is a very colorful but neatly organized and well done setup. Giving you chills from GivemChills.
Ooh, randomfrankp being saucy. Man.
Next up,
that is it, dude. That's awesome. Awesome. Let's see what he says at the end.
Alright guys, that'll wrap it for the different user and what they're into. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for episode 271 of Room Tour Project. Hope you all enjoyed.
Alright, let's comment. We gotta comment on this video. I'm literally blushing, man. One of your biggest fans, and it's an honor that you loved my gaming setup. That's pretty sus. Anyway, let's comment it. So that was it. I mean, he didn't put much input. He just, you know, flattered and gave me some compliments about how it's neatly done and the cable management and all that stuff. It's very messy right now. You can see the light strip like falling apart right there. I don't keep it as clean as those pictures. Anyway, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Me and you just watched what Random Frank P had to say. I like doing these things. I'm going to be resubmitting my setup to him and to TechSource when I rebuild it in the new house. So stay tuned for that as well. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reaction video. It wasn't really much of a reaction. It's just me like fanboying over another tech YouTuber. But anyway, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos hopefully soon. I am sorry that I'm posting less nowadays. Been very busy with work and life and whatever. But if you follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, I post there daily. So go make sure to do that and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.